Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through a simple guide on how to send a voice call link using the WhatsApp app on your PC. With this new update, connecting with your friends, family, or colleagues has never been easier. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. If you haven't set up WhatsApp on your PC yet, download it from the official website and link it to your phone using the QR code. Once the app is open, look at the left-hand side menu. You'll see a phone icon. Click on it. This will take you to the Calls section of WhatsApp. Next, click on the option labeled Start Call. Before proceeding, make sure to turn off the camera if you want to create a voice call link instead of a video call link. After that, select Send Link. This will generate a unique link for your voice call. Now choose the contacts you want to share this link with. Simply select their names from your contact list and click Send. The link will be delivered to them instantly via WhatsApp chat. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared a voice call link using WhatsApp on your PC. With just a few clicks, you can now invite others to join a voice call with ease. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Stay connected and enjoy seamless communication with WhatsApp's latest features. Thank you for watching.